Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will give you some tips to make profit by selling NFTs. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now let's start. So the first and biggest method to make money with NFTs is getting whitelisted. We already have a tutorial video about this topic which you can find from the cards. It basically means buying NFTs for a lower price than the secondary market. When you get whitelisted and mint the NFT, the first thing you should do is to make a decision. Nearly all projects will make you profit if you decide to sell your NFT on the mint day. Now the hard part is the decision. Some NFTs fail the mint day and floor price starts going down very rapidly. But in a week or so, when the project gets some hype, floor price can go up like crazy. But there are some projects that does the exact opposite. They go crazy on the mint day and you decide not to sell. But the next morning you wake up to see 1/5 of the mint price as the floor price. Second tip is to research a project deeply and then flipping. So flipping means buying for a cheaper price and selling the NFT when the prices go up. But as I said, if you decide to flip, research a project deeply. If you try to flip a shitty project, you will lose your money. And the best way to research a project is to check their social media accounts and see how active they are in each of their social media accounts. For example, we're looking at Primates and they have 272,000 followers on Twitter and they're using it actively, as you can see 10 hours ago and 10 hours ago. Now, if you would realize that they were this active on the mint day, you would have made so big profits because the Primates mint price was 2 Solana. But as you can see, it hit 20 Solanas as of now, but its all-time high was 37 Solanas. So as I said, the second tip is to research a project deeply and then decide to flip it or not, because some projects are created for you to hold and some projects are there for you to flip. And another example is OK Beers. So mint price for OK Beers was 2 Solanas. Now let's think about, you heard about this project before its mint date. You were whitelisted, but you don't trust in this project, so you flipped your project for 5 Sol, which means 150% profit. That's huge, right? But if you would have made your research deeply and trusted in this project, as you can see, the floor price is now 98 Solanas, which means 50x of your investment. So that's the importance of making a research deeply about a project, not panicking when the floor price drops, and getting whitelisted. So as I said, I will repeat myself here, in order to successfully make profits in NFT markets, you should apply all of these 3 tips that I gave you in this video. And if you want more tips about the NFT markets and how to make profits by selling NFTs, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments that you want more of these videos. The third and the last tip is to not to act with your emotions. We have a psychology management video which you can check out from the cards. Don't FOMO in and don't panic if the floor price starts dropping. And way to not to panic goes through our second tip. If you research a project really deep and decide you trust the project, then you won't panic and sell your NFT with loss. So in order to successfully make profits by selling NFTs, you should successfully use all these 3 tips I've talked about in this video. I've been using these methods and I'll actually show you some real life examples. Okay, so I minted 2 Metashima NFTs for 0.085 Ethereum. And now let's check the floor price. As you can see, the floor price is 0.18 Ethereum, which means I doubled my investment. And the whitelisted members were able to mint at a maximum 3 Metashimas, so I minted 2. And that means, as of now, the 0.085 Ethereum is approximately equals to $120. So $120 times 2 is $240. So I invested in $240. But now my investment is nearly equal to $500. So that's doubling my investment. And just by this example, you can understand the importance of getting whitelisted for a project and minting for a lower price. And the second project I want to show you is Hyundai Meta Mobility. So I was whitelisted for this project too, and it's official Hyundai's NFT collection. Now this collection floor price went down a bit. So in terms of floor price, I'm in loss. But they airdropped this Hyundai Meta Mobility Plasma NFTs to the MOBAD holders. So I had 2 of these, but I minted these for approximately for $100 each. I had 2, so that means $200. So the floor price is, as you can see, 0.085. So let's check what's that equal to in terms of dollars. So it's approximately $100. And on top of that, I got 2 of these NFTs. Now let's check these plasmas floor prices. As you can see, the floor price is 0.062, which is equal to $76. So not only I made profit just by minting these 2 NFTs, but also I got 2 free airdrops and I have like $200 profit. And Hyundai actually explained that this was only the first airdrop and there will be more to come. So as I said, these 3 tips are the most important tips for you to make profits on NFT markets. Don't act with your emotions. Try to get whitelisted for good projects. And if you decide to flip a project, research the project very deeply and professionally, because if you don't do that, when the floor price starts going down, you'll panic and sell your NFT for a loss. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. If you like this video, there are so many more tips that I can share with you about making money on NFT market. So if you like this video, let us know in the comments and I will upload more videos about this and general tips about NFT markets. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very funny stuff, motivational quotes, important informations and breaking news about the business world and crypto world in general. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next video.